Hi there, Sam here from Artificial Lawn Company and Artificial Lawn Supply. Today I'm going to be demonstrating our brand new Garland Roll Comb 502E power brush. So this product is electric. It's got a powerful 1600 watt motor. Simply plug it in to your standard 3-pin UK socket, and then you're good to go. It's got a little safety button here to press, and then simply pull up the lever to start the brush. Obviously it's got a handy collection bucket on the back here, you see, so you can collect all your debris and rubbish. And today I'm going to be giving it a go and demonstrating it on this lawn for you. So check in a minute and we'll see how we get on. So as you can see, this lawn is absolutely covered in debris today. Absolutely covered. And it's a mixture of all these little bits of conifer and leaves and what have you. It's going to be a real test for the brush. Also, because of all this wet weather we've had, all the debris is actually quite wet, which actually makes it even more difficult to pick up. So we shall see how it performs. So as you can see on the front of the machine here, you've got this little adjustment. So you can go from really low to the ground, obviously then to slightly higher. So this grass we're using today is a 45mm pile. So I'll be going for a number 2 because this lawn is about 7 or 8 years old. So it's quite, it's been tested, this lawn. And then as you can see, we've got a big wheel, small wheel on the side there, so it makes it nice and easy to push around. It's got a fully collapsible handle, so the machine can become quite small if you want to store it. So you just have to undo these on both sides and at the top as well. And what I was mentioned earlier about the safety button, it's just this little tiny button here, so you have to press that before pulling the lever to start the machine. And then here's the collection bucket, so just like your standard lawnmower really. See all the debris in there, and obviously it's got loads of room in there, so even for this massive lawn, this lawn's about 80 square meters, and I think I'll probably get it all in the one bucket. But as you can see, Okay, so now we've got all the debris cleared using this wonderful electric power brush. I'm now going to give it one final pass, going across the garden against the pile. And this garden's a bit different because the grass is actually laid across like this. We're going to give it one final brush this way and then work our way out the door and leave this lawn looking brand new. Let's see how we go. So there we have it, a short video for you, just trialling our new 502E rolling comb by Garland, a really powerful machine. It's just starting to rain now, but considering it's already wet this ground and the garden is quite uneven, it's done a really good job. I mean, you can see in the video, I mean, it's definitely fluffed it up. This garden is, this lawn is now 8 years old, using the 45mm pile grass. As you can see, it's covered in football goals. We've got loads of trees and debris all around it. And I give this lawn a brush once every spring for this customer. So if you're interested in buying one of our machines, obviously go online, hit up our website and get one today. Or if you have any more questions about it, please get in touch and we're happy to help. Thank you very much. Bye bye.